Is the crypto market on the brink of a downturn now that the ETF catalyst has passed? This question has dominating many minds lately. The crypto market is a dynamic and volatile entity, perpetually shifting, perpetually transforming. Now that we've crossed the bridge of the ETF catalyst, it is easy to speculate that we might be teetering on the edge of a downturn. However, we must not lose sight of the next significant event in the timeline, the Bitcoin halving, which is targeted for April 22nd. The Bitcoin halving, a momentous occasion that reduces the reward for mining Bitcoin by half, has traditionally spurred price escalations. But keep in mind, it typically takes months for these price spikes to be effectuated post-halving. With this in mind, the period from now until a few months after this halving is likely to be sideways and choppy. That being said, this possible downturn isn't all doom and gloom. It could be a wholesome market correction, and the influx into the Bitcoin ETF might even dampen a crash. So, does that mean we're heading into a downturn? Let's decode this further. To understand the potential downturn, we need to take a closer look at the timeline of the crypto market downturn and the Bitcoin halving. Once the excitement around the introduction of the exchange-traded fund, or ETF, for Bitcoin passed, we saw the market take a dip. This is actually quite normal and even healthy for any market. It's like a forest fire that clears out the underbrush, leaving room for new growth. Then, about every 4 years, we have the Bitcoin halving event. This is when the reward for mining new Bitcoins is cut in half, effectively slowing the production of new coins. Interestingly, it usually takes a few months after the halving for the prices to rise. This is because the decreased supply of new coins eventually leads to increased demand, and therefore, increased prices. Now, we're in a bit of a waiting game. There's potential for a downturn as we wait for the next Bitcoin halving. But remember, downturns can offer opportunities too. If this happens, it might be a good time to load up on more coins before the next bull run. Moreover, the inflow into the Bitcoin ETF could also play a role in suppressing a potential crash. As more investors put their money into the Bitcoin ETF, it provides a cushion that might prevent a full-on market crash. Despite the possible dip, there's a silver lining. This could be an ideal time to load up before the market picks up again. But remember, this isn't financial advice. What do you think about the current state of the crypto market? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember to always do your own research before making any investment decisions.